Hello students. So as discussed earlier, today we are going to see how to solve the simultaneous linear equations, right? So generally simultaneous linear equations consist of two variables. In today's types we are going to see the simultaneous linear equation in two variables. Means, for example, x plus y is equal to 10. So this is considered as a simultaneous linear equation in two variable. Now in this case we have to, our main task is to find the value of x and y such that they will satisfy this equation by bringing values equal to 10. So that means we need to find out what should be the value of x and what could be the value of y. And when we added these two numbers, we should get, or we definitely get, equal to the 10. That means we are able to solve our simultaneous linear equations. But don't worry, we are going to see in a very simple manner how to solve. There is a basic simple methods. There are a number of methods or techniques to solve these equations. So first we are going to see method 1. Normally it is also considered as an elimination method. What is elimination method? Means we have to eliminate one variable to get value of other. To get the value of other variable. Simply means, suppose let us consider we have equation x plus y is equal to 5, and we again have x minus y is equal to 3. So these two equations we have. Now simply we can do some operations like additions or subtractions over here, and by performing these two operations it's easy and it's possible to eliminate one of the variable. Now here we can say x is a positive, and in the second equation x is also positive, y is a positive in this case y is negative. So by simply doing addition operation we can eliminate y. So by this way we can get x plus x, that means here is a 2x, so 5 plus 3 we get 8. So x equals to 8 by 2, that means we can solve for x equals to 4, right? Simply. So this is our equation number 1. Suppose consider this is equation number 2, and here it is, we get a value of x equals to 4. So just put x is equal to 4 in equation anyone. You can use equation this one, otherwise this one, whatever you may suitable. So I will use equation first. What is equation first? X plus y is equal to 5. Now after putting x equal to 4, what I will get? I will get 4 plus y is equal to 5. Now simply by transforming this 4 to the right side, I can write y is equal to 5. So now see, the 4 having positive nature, so after transforming this to this side it will convert as a negative, or it will becomes negative. Now what I will get? So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So I get y is equal to 1. This is the simple approach to solve the simultaneous linear equations. See, by solving we get what we get. I get x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. So these are the solutions. That's simple. So again this so by this approach you can solve any kind of linear equations which is simultaneous linear equations. So this methods or this approach is called as a elimination approach. What it is considered as a elimination method or elimination approach, right? So let's start with the example. We will select an example from your exercise. So we will begin with the practice set 1.1, right? Practice set 1.1. Now the problem given is so we have two problems. Question number 1 we are going to see, that is a 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and other equation is a 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So this is a problem given from your textbook. See, now here it is, we can refer page number 4, okay, for better understanding. So what the first steps? So listen carefully. There are very few steps you have to follow, and our answer will be came out within a 3 to 4 steps only. See, so first things, you have to give numbering to the equations. So this is my first equation, this is my equation number 2. By giving numberings, you need to check whether these are in standard format or not. If it is, then proceed. If it is not, then you have to convert into the standard format. So what is the standard format? Standard form will be like ax plus by is equal to c. So this is a standard format of simultaneous linear equation. That means you have to bring your variables to the left side and put any constant if is there, so send it to the right side of the equation. Now see, there is a simple rules. Rule number 1, if coefficient have same sign, what? Listen carefully. If coefficient having same sign, okay, so then in this case do subtractions. What you have to do? Subtractions. Now if coefficient have opposite sign, then what you have to do? Do addition. Simple, that's it only. These two rules you have to keep in your mind while solving the simultaneous linear equations, right? Now see what equations we have. We have a 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. This is my equation number 1 is equal to 9. This is my equation number 1. Other equations I have 2x minus 3y is equal to what I have? 12. So this is our equation number 2. Now just observe whether the coefficients are same. Coefficient of the given equation are same or not. See, here it is, what is coefficient? 5. Here it is 3. Here it is 2. Here it is again 3. Okay, so 3 and 2. Now just observe carefully. We can only eliminate variables. Also one thing, okay, we can eliminate variable only if it contains or it having same coefficient. What? Same coefficients means coefficient of x of equation 1 should be equal to coefficient of x of equation number 2. Similarly, coefficient of y of equation 1 is equal to, it should be equal coefficient of y of equation 2. That's it only. That means, see, first if we consider coefficient of x, here it is a 5 and here it is a 2. So whether these are two same? No. So go to the next variable, check whether there is same coefficient or not. Here it is 3, here it is 3. Yes, we get our target. Okay, so that means we can perform our elimination operation on which variable? On the y variable. Why? Because it's having same coefficient, right? And now see, as per the rules, see here it is coefficient of y is 3. In these equations coefficient is what is plus 3, and in the second equation coefficient is what? Minus 3. Now see our rule number 1. What is rule number 1? Says if coefficient have same sign, if it is same sign, what we have to do? Subtractions for what? So we have to do operations, subtractions over here. The rule number 1 tells us about which operations we have to perform on the given equation. So these operations we can do by using rule number 1. If it is having same sign, then we can do subtractions, but it is having opposite sign, we have to do addition of the equations. Now just observe our coefficient, it is plus 3, here it is minus 3. So these two signs are whether equal or not? No, definitely. So these are the opposite signs. So as these two signs are opposite to each other, we have to follow which case? We have to follow the case number 2. That means we have to add these two equations. What? We have to add these two equations. So now what you can write then? Now by adding equation 1 and 2, why we are doing adding? Are you getting? Right? So just because of they having opposite signs, and to eliminate we have to do operations such that one will be goes cancel out by the other one. That's why we are doing these operations. Now see what equations we have. What we have 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. We have 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and other equations we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12, simply. And which operations we are going to do here? We are going to do additions. Why additions? Clear everyone? All right, very good. Now see, by just adding these two equations, what we will get? Here it is 5x, here it is 2x. So 5x plus 2x, we will get 7x. 5 plus 2 7, x is as it is. So here plus 3y, and here it is minus 3y. So 3y will get cancelled by each other, right? Again here 12 plus 9, how much it is? It will becomes 21. Now see, be carefully. Now this equation is what? 7 is multiplied to the x, so transform to the other side. So it will become 21 by 7 because it's a multiply to this side. So it will goes to RHS and it will divided by or divided to the 21. So after solving this, I will get x is equal to 3. What I get? X equal to 3. Clear everyone? How I get x equal to 3? Very good. Now just put x is equal to 3 in equation anyone, which 1 or 2, whatever you want. But I will suggest that use the equation which have smallest coefficient. What? Which equations having smallest coefficient? So by just looking towards these equations, we can observe equation number 2 having smallest coefficient. So take this one, 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. See, what is value of 3? What is value of x? It is a 3. So 2 into x means 2 into 3 minus 3y is equal to 12. Just putting this value of x, I will get such equations, right? Now 2 into 3, 2 3 is 6 minus 3y is equal to 12. So send this 3y negative 3y to this side, otherwise keep it, send this 6 to the other end. So I will get minus 3y is equal to 12 minus 6. Is it or not? Right? Now minus 3y is equal to 12 minus 6, 6. Now send this minus 3 to the other side. So here it is, I will get y is equal to 6. This minus 3 is multiply over here, this will divide it to the RHS side. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So finally I get y is equal to how much? Minus 4. So by solving the above equations, I get values of x and y. What values of I get? Values of x I get 3 and y I get minus 2. So I can simply write x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2 are the solution of given equation. That's it only. Clear everyone? I hope you getting everything clearly. So these simple steps you have to follow. Simply what you have to do, equation will be given given as per the problem. You have to just numbering that equations. So here it is, I have number like equation 1 and equation number 2. Now in this next case, you have to check the standard format, whether these are into the standard format or not. If it is yes, proceed. If it is no, then you have to first convert into the standard format, right? Next, the other one is, rule is, you have rule number 2 I will mention below. You have to make coefficients equal, same. For what? Because we have to follow the elimination approach, right? So if coefficients are the same, then you have to do subtractions. If coefficients are the opposite, then you have to follow the case number 2, that is you have to do additions of the two given equations. Clear? All right. Now say why these operations doing, okay? Okay, other way. Now in our case we have coefficient with the opposite side, that's why we followed which operations? Additions, right? So by adding these two equations, I get what I get. So 5 plus 2x I get 7x, and this 3 is cancelled out by 3, so 9 plus 12 equal to 21, right? Again by solving this, I get x equal to 3. Just put this value of x in any one equations you want, but most prefer use the equation which having smallest coefficient. So just putting the value of x in this equations, I get directly value of the y. So I get value of y is minus 2. So like this you can solve any kind of simultaneous linear equations. Clear everyone? I hope you understand well, and very soon we will see for the next problem as well. Thank you so much.